Hi all. So in this video we can see how we get the production report on daily basis. How we get the production report, like if you want a daily production report, weekly production report, like monthly, quarterly, yearly. So with this out of the box Odoo, now we can see how we get this production report without using any customized modules. Okay, so let's goes to here now. Let's goes to manufacturing module. For an example, now I have created 3 products here. If you go to the products menu, you can see a final product, okay, which is of type manufacturing, and I have created 2 component products, which is component A and which is of type buy, and similarly for component B. Then I have go to the products and bill of materials. I have created a bill of material which is a final product, and I have added my components here. Okay, then I have created a manufacturing order. Here you can see one manufacturing order, okay, and the final product is final product, okay, and these are the components, and I'm going to produce one quantity. I just confirmed this purchase order, but I haven't produced the item. So one quantity I just confirmed and but not produced. And if you go to manufacturing list view and remove this filter, you can see other 2 manufacturing orders, and these 2 manufacturing orders, now you can see I have already produced one quantity and I have already produced 2 quantity. So if you would say total, you can see here 4 quantities. Out of 4 I have produced 3 quantity and 1 quantity I haven't produced. Okay, now coming back to the point that how we get the production report now, like now daily basis and weekly, monthly, quarterly, etc. So what you have to do is you go to reporting, manufacturing orders, and this is the graph view. So you go to pivot view. Okay, here you will be getting an option like count. So for time being, maybe okay, keep the count it is okay. Then here you can see what is the quantity to produce, okay, and select this quantity producing, and you can see here total quantity as well. Okay, so from here what you can see, you have 3 production, and out of 3 production here you are producing actually 4 quantity, and out of 4 you have completed 3 quantity of production. Okay, so this is the information we get. Total 3 production, and out of 3 you are producing total 4, and 3 are completed. Now again, to the specific filter we have option. If you go to group by, if you go to the schedule date option, here you will be getting, if you want a daily basis, now you click on the day, then here you can see on this particular date how many quantity you are producing. But if you want on a weekly basis, just click on this week, then you can see here on a weekly basis how much it is producing. If you want on a monthly basis, you can see here how it is producing on a monthly basis. If you want on a quarterly basis, you can see on a quarterly basis how much it is producing, and on a yearly basis how much it is producing. So this information you will be getting from here. So again, now for example, let's say if I selected this monthly, see here you can see I have selected year first. So in 2021, this month how much it is producing, and also likewise if I click on the product, so specifically I'll get 2021 November month, this how much it is producing, this product, particular product, how much production, what is the total production quantities, and how many are completed, like that. Okay, so if you have some other month like December and all, then after that it will come December and all those things, and end of and finally if you want it this in an Excel, you can just click on this export option and you will be getting this in the Excel itself. So this is how now you will be getting the production report with various duration filter options. Okay, so I believe that all you got this. Thank you.